Hey, it's Cheryl here today. I'm back. I just wanted to do a video on how you can grow Japanese maple trees from seedlings. These all came from seeds that fell off the tree onto the ground and became little mini trees. So as they get bigger, like these ones over here, if you can see, I don't know if you can see, move up so you can see, like this big one here and this one here. When they get that size, that's usually when I put them in a bigger pot. So they have plenty of room for the roots to go, but not too big of a pot because then it'll get too much air pockets in it. But what I'm doing today, I'm going to take, and you can see I'm going the wrong way with this. Some of them didn't make it. Some of them have dried leaves, which I want to take out. And some of them have weeds, which I want to take out so they don't take all the nutrients from the tree. So ignore my crazy fingernails, y'all. Now this has a little bit moss in it. I'm gonna leave that because that could be like a little bit of almost like a mulch, unless it gets too thick. Now this one has some little grass in it, and see, it's got a lot of dirt attached to it. So it really probably was taking up nutrients out the soil. And I saw a little teeny baby piece of darn clover, y'all. Now, I took my gloves off because it would be easier to pick the pieces up. And there we go. And here you can see the moss that just grew. And if I was trying to grow moss, it wouldn't make it. But look, isn't that a pretty red leaf? Okay, so we got that one clean. That's a piece of hosta there. Let's clean up this one. See that one? It isn't pretty. This is probably the coral bark, they call it, because the bark is like a reddish coral color. Well, we have a few of them, some large ones in the garden. Some of them were from seedlings. I think we had one that we brought with us when we moved here, and we got the seedlings from that one. So they're fairly easy to grow. I'm in zone, I would call it zone 7B8A, because you know how hot it's gotten. I become an 8A. Okay, so this one's all cleaned up. Let's get this one cleaned up. Another piece of grass. Look at the roots on this grass. Okay. Other weeds in here I'm just pulling out and dried up leaves. Oh, we definitely got to get this out of here. This is a piece of donkey tail. This will take over that whole pot. Okay, I think I got all the... Somebody fussing. I don't know if it's squirrels. Y'all hear it? Squirrels or birds. We have some Cleveland pear trees that have pears on it. Little teeny pears. They probably eating them or fighting over them. Okay. Look at this one. This is a big weed and a darn clover. And that clover is when it's tiny, it's hard to pull up. And, the roots are something else. Let me show you if I can get this one out. Oh, Indians. Look, that's a lot of roots. All right, so these look okay. So we got this one. This is the one that I'll probably transfer that in the spring. Not really. Oh, I guess I could transplant it soon if I wanted to. That way, the roots have a little chance to get established before it gets too cold. And I think I've gotten all the leaves out, and I don't really need no leaves on it to cause any diseases. Okay. Now I really would like to leave these in these little pots until they were root bound. Now you can see this one here is dead. It's dried up. Didn't have a little bud on it like these. You see the buds? I don't know if you can see the little buds. Yep. Hopefully it won't try to bloom before spring because it's been warm today. Okay, so that's how you can grow your own Japanese maples. If you're in not a permanent, but a place you think you'd be for a while. They're pretty fast growing trees, so they're very ornamental, good for small gardens, depending on the variety. But the coral bark is good for a small yard. So I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions and want to see some other pictures of the trees of how they look now, let me know. I will take some pictures. And you might want to also check out my garden playlist. If you like gardening, I can show you. I show you actually all the things that I do around my garden, different plants, and the ones that are easy and hard. So I hope you come back and talk to me next time. I appreciate it. Take care. And remember, you can grow a tree.